How to get internship completion certificate from Gujarat University GU for Provisional Degree certificate. Let's begin. You have to open Gujarat University online application link. Select Internship Completion Certificate. Select all the necessary documents and scan those. Fill the following details and click Register. You get verification link on Gmail. Then you will receive OTP on your registered mobile number. Will receive an application number. Take screenshot of that. Log in with application number and previous password. Make a payment. Wait for 24 hours. Fill application correctly as per mark sheet. Upload all necessary documents and submit. Then take printout of application receipt and wait for Gujarat University text message on your registered mobile number. After receiving message from GU and take photocopies of necessary documents with you along with printout of application receipt. Thank you for watching. For more information, subscribe our channel.